Your community is your foundation, and keeping it healthy is essential. But what happens when injuries and chronic conditions arise and there's a lack of access to quality health care within the community? Introducing TheraMotive, physical therapy on the go. We deliver tech-empowered mobile clinics directly to community-based organizations and local health systems catering to diverse demographics. At TheraMotive, we combine cutting-edge health technology, mobile PT clinics, and industry-leading doctors of physical therapy to serve entire communities with people of all ages, backgrounds, and abilities. Our wearable technology tracks your progress in real time so you can see the results of your hard work and dedication. With TheraMotive as your partner in health, community members can receive the care they need without traveling far from home, enhancing their quality of life and fortifying the community as a whole.
Partnering with TheraMotive has revolutionized our organization. Attendance and participation have soared because our members now have convenient access to expert care on-site every week.
Investing in the well-being of your diverse community has never been simpler. If you're a community organization or health system serving New York City, TheraMotive is your solution for on-site, quality healthcare access. Contact us today to learn more. TheraMotive, your partner in community health.